Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 ELANTRA. The ELANTRA boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the ELANTRA is an easy choice and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Hyundai certified vehicles will provide you the confidence you desire in your next vehicle. All certified Hyundais come with a limited powertrain warranty, a comprehensive inspection, roadside assistance, and much more. Contact your Hyundai dealer today to learn more about the Hyundai Certified program.